Okay, here we are doing another 3D project. This is now I have a new reel hooked into this one. It's actually pretty easy to change the reels out. My last little guy looked like this. I was 50% done. This one's not completed yet, but it's been running for 2 hours and 19 minutes. And currently it's now 89% done. So, oh, now it's 90%. 90% done, so it only has 10% more to go. And it's been running for 2 hours and 19 minutes. So, we should see a completed one during this video. Actually, it's not really too hard changing this, because you can go ahead and there's a down below on the main screen, there's a pause button. You can stop it, pause it, whatever, so that you can go ahead and put your new roll in or whatever you have to do, and then you just go ahead and restart it again. So this little guy there, it is pretty big. I mean, compared to the last one, that thing's legs are huge. That's the little guy right there. So, and actually it looks like the little splatter thing goes out even farther. But I was also thinking this would be a pretty easy way to manufacture, like maybe chess pieces or things like that, and actually for either pieces for like board games, you can use these. I was thinking of that today. They're perfectly flat on the bottom. They stand up by themselves, and yeah, we work fine. So, I'll stick it up there because it'll melt. Anyway, but yeah, so yeah, it's got a couple of more than one use anyway. But I wanted to see how this would work. This fiber that I picked up is actually more flexible than the other stuff I had. The red stuff here, that red stuff there is really hard. I mean, it is really hard to move. This stuff here, you can move around one finger, no problem. It's real flexible. This other stuff, if you try to move it like that, it'll snap. So anyway, so we'll come back in a little bit. And there's Aniyah again, waiting for Aniyah to be picked up by mom number 2. So we'll see what happened, and we'll come back in a little bit, and we'll see how far we've gotten. Alright, it just finished. It took, according to the screen down below, let's see, I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see, I can tilt it maybe some more. Well, anyway, it took 2 hours and 32 minutes to come up with a completed outfit. And it looks like that. The one that was only 50% done looked like that. So yeah, it went up quite a bit. So, and now it's got to go through the cool down cycle, and it'll have to go ahead and just cool it down, and then it can be taken off. Right now it's too hot. Okay. And but at least, yeah, well, this, at least the that's moved out of the way. Don't turn that. Just leave it right there. Don't move it. Nope. Now you kick my tripod. Don't kick the tripod. And so yeah, 2 hours and 32 minutes, and well, do this. I'll do it from the top view here. Show you what it looks like from the top. It's like a little man, is what it is, really. So, I'm going to go back a little bit. We've got a squared off area there. But right now it's in cool down mode. The plate is at 60 degrees centigrade. The extruder was at 200 degrees centigrade. So anyhow, but there it is. That's a completed little toy for the Among Us game is what it is. And that's going to be it for here. So we will talk to you guys later. Alright, there's a completed one. There's the one that was 100% completed today. Notice I had the red left over from the other one. So this is what it did on the other back side. It had to run out what the red was left and then switched over to the blue. So that's supposed to be this Among Us, his bones and the body part down here, and this is the splattered part on the top. And that's the 50% right there. So there is quite a bit of a difference.
And I'm practicing my cursive.
And Aniyah's practicing her cursive writing right now. Yeah. So, and there we are. Let me go back. And Aniyah is practicing her handwriting right now. And
look, I traced that all out.
oh yeah. And you can write your own name in cursive.
Yay!
Yay! Well, there you are. That's one of my other videos for today. Anyhow, that'll be it for now.
Aniyah.
Talk to you guys later.